First of all, let me start by giving you the introduction about the space propulsion systems which are currently in use today. There are mainly two systems, chemical propulsion and the electrical propulsion. A large fraction of rocket engines in use today are chemical rockets. That is, they obtain their energy needed to generate thrust by chemical reactions to create a hot gas that is expanded to produce thrust. A significant limitation of chemical propulsion is that it has a relatively low specific impulse, which is the ratio of the thrust produced to the mass of propellant needed at a certain rate of flow. Numerous concepts for advanced propulsion technologies, such as electrical propulsion, are commonly used for station keeping on communication satellites, and for prime propulsion on same scientific space missions, because they have significantly higher values of specific impulse. However, the drawback of the electrical propulsion is that they have a very large duration, that the time needed to execute the mission using electrical propulsion is more. So we have a time penalty in case of electrical propulsion. The orbital maneuvers using these electric propulsions are shown next.
In-space propulsion represents technologies that can significantly improve a number of critical aspects of the mission. Space exploration is about getting somewhere safely, getting there quickly, getting increased payload there, and at a lower cost. The simple act of getting there requires the employment of an in-space propulsion system, and the other metrics are modifiers to this fundamental action. In some instances, the development of technologies within this technological area will result in mission-enabling breakthroughs that will revolutionize the space exploration. There is no single propulsion technology that will benefit all mission or mission types.
The researchers aim to develop primary propulsion technologies that could benefit near and mid-term space-related missions by reducing cost, inert mass, and time to travel. Some of the propulsion architectures of interest to the researchers are the electric propulsion systems. One of the electric propulsion systems of particular interest are the ion and Hall thrusters. Another form of propulsion combines the space sails to the Hall thrusters. Space sails is actually a propellantless propulsion technique in which we use the starlight. Another technique is the advanced chemical propulsion. Another technique is the aero capture technique. And at last, I would like to tell about the space tethered propulsion technique.